life-saving new style. So what the mask basically does is it converts bad air into good air. And in these days of COVID, when we really need to restart the economy and get moving, I think that this is a lifesaver. But this will only happen if everyone wears a mask. Now the beauty is that masks also have a science, but they have to be worn properly for them to be effective. For example, if the mask is worn like this, it's just not effective. If it's worn like this, it's not effective at all. So the one or two things that you have to keep in mind while you're wearing a mask is that it should fit well. So something that doesn't really feel too tight or too loose. There shouldn't be any air escaping from anywhere. That's very important. And if it keeps falling off your nose while you're talking or while you're just going about your day, that's the wrong mask for you. That's one. The second thing is that you have to make sure that you're not constantly adjusting it. So if it's loose, you'll keep touching it and keep trying to, put it up, and that just makes it even more ineffective. And the last but most important thing is that all of the infection basically resides on the top layer of the mask. So if you keep touching it and keep, using those hands for your eyes and for picking up things, etc., all you're doing is just spreading the virus even more. So essentially there's two types of masks. There's one which is a disposable and one which is a reusable or the washable one. I have both with me right here. So this one is a surgical mask, which is the most effective and has been proven to be most safe. This is one-time use, so please do not wear it over and over again. Please discard it. It's a disposable mask. The second one is the N95 mask, which is right here. This one, of course, has been proven very effective for health workers. It's for people who are on the front line. So please don't hoard up on it because this is something that the nation really needs for its medical workers. This is a mask that you can use again if you keep it away in a little brown paper bag for maybe 2 days. But again, please do not constantly keep wearing it because all the infection goes and rests right over here. Now I'm going to show you how to wear a disposable one-time wear surgical mask. So the most important thing is once you put this on, make sure that you just press the top of it. There's a slight boning that's already in the mask. So just make sure you press that down on your nose. It's supposed to take the shape of your nose, and it's imperative that there's no air escaping from the top. In this mask, however, if you see there's a flaw, there is a lot of possibility of air escaping from here and from here. So you want to make sure that it sits nicely on your face and there's no air escaping from anywhere. Please remember, this is a disposable mask, so one time you wear it, throw it in the bin. And the last one is the one that you will be wearing most often, which is the cloth mask. So this mask is reusable, which means you can wash it. Make sure that you wash it with a light soapy liquid just so that all the germs come out. And this mask is something that you should really make a part of your daily routine. Think of it as a uniform. This will save you and most importantly others from the virus. Now while the mask is here to stay, there are many problems that come with wearing a mask. So the first, of course, is something that's called fogging, which happens especially if you're wearing glasses and you're somebody who is in a hot atmosphere and you're not really working in air conditioning. It can get foggy, which means your eyes can feel a bit moist and your sunglasses or glasses can get fogged up. Make sure that you take your glasses off, clean them, and maybe step out into some fresh air to just get a breather for a bit. That's one. Some of the other problems are that it slips off from your nose all the time, especially me who, the work I do makes me have to keep talking and things like that with the mask on. Make sure the mask has a lovely fit so that it doesn't keep slipping off your nose. I see a lot of people wearing the mask off the nose. Please understand this is the wrong way to wear the mask. The minute it slips off your nose, it exposes you to the virus and it exposes others to the virus as well. So some of the other problems with the mask is that there's a breathability issue. The second is sometimes it gets very damp because you're sweating and it's hot out, so it can get a bit uncomfortable. And the most important, which a lot of girls are dealing with, is maskne, which means that you wear a mask so much and your entire jawline is breaking out into pimples or a rash. So one of the ways of washing the reusable cloth mask, which I'm wearing right now, is that you can just wash it with a light soap or a soapy liquid or some light detergent so that the germs come off. And that's it. You can dry it and then wear it again. Make sure it's not damp when you wear it again. And with a surgical mask, which is a disposable mask, please make sure that you cut it up into pieces before you dispose it. The virus is here to stay, but human beings are resilient and we're in this together. So whatever you do, don't lose your human touch.